guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can mute soundboards on Discord. I know they could be annoying or you enjoy listening to noises. I don't personally, but you can either right click on the person here and you can you can select mute soundboard. Of course I can do it to my own profile, but you can just right click and select mute soundboard on their name. Or you can go to user settings and scroll down to voice and video. Scroll down to go to soundboard. You can adjust the volume, or you can just mute it all the way, which I have muted. I know people like to spam, and I guess it's fine, but like I just can't. It's just sensory overload for me. But that's how you can mute soundboards on Discord so that you won't get annoyed when you're playing a game. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!